Valentine's Day, you feel disappointed. Why? There's lots of people that are single for Valentine's Day. Let's go shopping, take yourself out to brunch, do a self-care night, have a Valentine's Day. Some girl says she's going to the club with her friends. I don't know. Have fun. Valentine's Day is not always, you're not always going to have somebody on Valentine's Day. Sometimes you need to make it about yourself too. Find you a cute outfit, get you some pink, some red, get you some little cute outfit, shoes, and go have fun. It's just another day. All right. It's only special if you're celebrating it with someone. If not, it's fun. You know,
Yeah.
go get you an outfit together. Look cute. Nobody cares. All right. Somebody gonna buy you some drinks. Just go out and have fun. Go with your girls or go have a self care night or go to the movies or something with your friends or your family.